I'm excited. I made it to Norway, my 8th country. I'm hosted by Cosima and her son Valdo, keen cyclists and part of this wonderful community that welcomes travelers on bicycles. Come on, Valdo! Following National Cycle Route 1, Norwegian route which follows the coast in the south. And I shouldn't be talking to you now because it's quite brutal. And after a fresh swim just on top of this hill, there's this wonderful shelter, which would be the perfect place for me to take cover as they're forecasting rain and gale force for all day tomorrow. Now, I'm not sure if anything will come out of this, but out of complete boredom, I will show you what I'm having for dinner. I've got some first time that I'm trying the egg noodles, kind of ramen type. Usually I just buy pasta, but this might be quicker to boil. I've got some bolognese sauce, some Philadelphia. So, just take our little burner. Just add some more spirit. Can't quite see. And the trick is to light it without setting the shelter on fire. And thanks to YouTube we were talking earlier, I found a good way not to get burnt to light these stoves. There we go. On goes our pot. Just a little bit of water. I'll put very little water with this because I kind of just cook it just enough to soak the noodles, and then I'll put the sauce in. That will make it easier. The lid goes on. And I'll call you back when it's warmer. Our creamy pasta is now done. Just put it on the side, let it rest a little. Bingo! And here is our creamy pasta bolognese. And of course, this being YouTube, I couldn't possibly end this video without telling you how wonderful this tastes. Just amazing.
I've been struggling, 'cause the smoke stopped hurting my lungs, and the drink stopped burning my tongue. It's true, I guess I'm numb now that I'm a stranger to you. Running from my demons, I still miss you, but you'll never see that. Still salty, I can't lie, I got my reasons. 'Cause you stopped trying, but I'm still fighting this messed up. You moved on, but I'm hard stuck. Now you're gone, I get drunk. I'm so defeated, 'cause when a heart breaks, it never breaks even. It's so unfair that you don't care, I do. I'm not done loving you. It's so unfair. You shed no tears. Now I'm crying all alone. This ain't 50-50. When the heart breaks, they don't break even.
fingers doing that?
For now. Oh, det ser alltså så